Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Kizzy's Place. Okay, I haven't done an RV renovation video in quite some time, simply because I had to decide what I'm going to really do with my RV. I was going to try to rent it out, and I changed my mind. I decided to rent out other spaces on my property and to take this RV and make it into my studio and my woman cave. And so the last time we talked, we were talking about this floor. Remember about what to do about the floor? Well, wow, today, there were a couple of things that I had been thinking about. I thought about putting tile back down there. I thought about staining the floor. But when I thought about both of those things, I thought about how cold the floor is. And I would never be wanting to walk on this floor barefooted or anything, because it's cold. The floor would be cold. So today I was thrift shopping, and look what I found. You will not believe this. I found these tiles that people usually buy for the kiddos, to play on, or to do. It's spongy like a yoga mat, and so they had these at the thrift store, brand new, still in the package. And the lady, when she saw me looking at them, she said, "Yeah, we just got that donated to us from Costco." And there was like a whole stack of these, and in each package there is 9 pieces. The total of the square footage for those 9 pieces, as you can see right there, 38 square feet, brand new, never used. And guess what they wanted for that? You will be floored. Let me see if I can show you, just so I have proof. So there it is, $14.99 for 38 square feet. And I started thinking, my wheels started turning. I'm thinking, I won't even have to buy tile, because having this sponge on the floor solves a couple problems. It insulates the floor. It makes it kind of spongy, so it's comfortable to walk on. And another beautiful thing is that it's two-sided. So I could either use it on this side that actually looks like gray wood grain tile, or I could use it on the black side, which I prefer to use it on the black side because we've got, black appliances, black trim around the windows and that kind of thing. And I favor red and black as decor. That's just me. So I thought, and also I think the black will go better with the grain wood and the I'm so excited I can't even think straight. It'll go great with the cork, I think, instead of the gray. Even though the gray is nice too, it would look like I had tile on the floor if I used that gray. But nevertheless, I thought this is just this was such a deal. And I came in here, I bought actually 6 of these packs because I couldn't exactly remember the square footage, but I thought I won't need very many of these because these tiles are like 20 by 20 or something. Let me see, what are they? Since I'm not going to put stain on the floor, I've decided not to do that because I'd have to put a chemical on there, and then I'd have to put several coats on there. It would be cold. And I thought, what if later I want to change up and do something else? So I decided to just let it stay raw and cover it. And this has turned out to be like the perfect solution for my RV floor. And look, and as far as installing it, how much easier can it be? It's hard for me to show you and do anything, but look at this. It's just like, Legos. It's like puzzle pieces. You just put those down and snap them in. Can you see? I hope you can. Snap them into the little areas like this. It's looking harder than it is simply because I'm holding this phone. but it's like so simple. Just pop those in there like that, and pop these in there like that, and voila, installed. I mean, I'm just too excited about this, I think. So excited. And then when it's gonna look great. And when the tile is down there, you can't even see the seams. You have to like get close to it to see that it's interlocked, But when you step back from it, you can't even see it. See that? That gives you an idea of what it's going to look like when all of it is down. I'm so excited about that. I am so excited. And like I said, I just laid some out on the floor just to see how many of those packets I'm going to need. And I just measured it all the way up to the end of this room. I only need 2 packets. Sorry, you can see my friend's got her stuff stored in the RV for right now. But yeah, it's like I only need 2 of those packets of 9 tiles to cover this entire open floor area. I mean, how cool is that there? That is way, way cool. I'm so excited. I can't wait to finish it now. So that's what's happening in the RV right now. I have made an executive decision that this RV is going to be my woman cave, my music studio, my YouTube recording studio for 2025. And so I can't wait to finish it up. I'm beside myself with excitement right now. When I found these tiles, that made my day. Okay, all right, enough about that. I'll come back and you're gonna see me accelerate now on finishing this job up, because I already have in my mind what I want to do. And so the next thing you're gonna see is probably some curtains go up. You're gonna see some furnishings come in. But first thing you're gonna see is this floor when it's completely done. I'll come back and show it to you when it's all done. Woo! Yeah, that's all happiness. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.